Hey everybody! Okay, you should have watched the Firefly book, and then you should have watched the poster video where I told you about persuade, inform, and entertain. So let's take a quick review. This is what I want you to do. I want you to get a piece of notebook paper and pencil. If you don't have one, in a minute but not yet, I want you to pause the video and go get it, but you also need something else too. The other thing that I want everybody to have is three plates. 1 plate, 2 plate, 3 plate. They can be plastic, they can be paper, they can be big, they can be little, does not matter. I just want you to have 3 plates just so you can think about this activity while I'm doing it with you, okay? It'll make it a little bit more fun, I hope. I do my best, I really do. Okay, pause, get a paper pencil and 3 plates, and pause and go. Okay, you should be back with your 3 plates, your paper, and your pencil. So here's the first thing that I want you to do. We're going to take some notes. That's what big kids do. That's what good students do. They take notes. Good note taking. It's a great way to learn. So the first word we're going to put is the first word that's in our author's purpose. What's the purpose that an author would write a book or a story or an article or an advertisement or anything, or even a song? The purpose that they do this. So we have P, we have I, and we have E. So how many of you remember what the P stands for in our pie? Say it if you know it. I'm listening in my ears. I think I heard persuade. I would like you to write the word persuade on your notebook paper, please. And who remembers what persuade means? If you're persuading somebody to do something, what are you doing? Oh, if I get a puppy, I will clean up after it, and I will feed it, and I will take it for walks, and I will get up with it in the middle of the night. Convince, exactly. Persuade means convince, and I want you to go ahead and write that down just so you remember, okay? And the next letter is I. What does that I stand for? It starts with in. Say it if you know it. Inform. If you want to inform somebody of something, and another word for inform would be, and it's what I do, Miss Magley does, Miss Watson does, all of us, we inform people, we teach. And if you're writing something, if you're writing a research paper or something, it's to inform people of something. Nonfiction books, informational texts. You've heard of those before, the nonfiction stuff that tell you real stuff, real facts. Okay, and the last letter that I have on here, oh, I hope you wrote that down. The last letter that I have on here is an E. Do you remember what the E in pie was, or that last type of writing that we're learning about today? The last author's purpose of writing. Entertain. Good. Let me entertain you. Old song. Entertain would be tell a story. Could be to make you laugh, could be to make you cry, could be to make you scared even, but that's what entertain would be. Okay, so as soon as you have that written, I want you to get ready with your 3 plates. I have mine, whoops, got stuck. I have mine out like this. Okay? So, I'm going to show you a piece of pie. Before you start, I want you to think about what each plate is. So make one your P, make one your I, and then make the third one your E. So I put mine in order so that I remember what's what. So if I show you, these pieces of pie have the names of books on them. And I want you to decide if this book would be written to persuade you something, to inform you something, or to entertain you. So the first one is, you've heard of this one, The Grinch Who Stole Christmas. Do you think this book is to persuade, to inform, or to entertain? I want you to put it on your P, your I, or your E plate for me. Point to the plate. I'm putting it on the plate. I know that you don't have those. You just point to your plate where you think it would go. How many of you put it on your entertain plate? Pointed to your entertain plate. The Grinch, that was just written to tell a story, to entertain. Okay, how about, this is a good one. What to do when you are mad. What about a book that would tell you what you should do when you're mad? What do you think? Persuade you, inform you, or entertain you? Point to the plate that you think it would go on. P, I, or E. And I hope you put it on the inform plate. That's a book that would teach you something, to inform you how to help you out when you're mad or something. Good things you can do. Keep you out of trouble. Okay, the next one. Oh, how many of you love these books? I know I do. Pete the Cat. Persuade, inform, or entertain. What do you guys think? Touch your plate. P, I, or E. I know what one I'm putting mine on. I went with E for entertain. Okay, next we have Junie B. Jones. Where should I put my Junie B. Jones piece of pie? Is that convincing you or something, informing you something, or entertaining you? Which plate did you touch? I hope you went to entertain. I need my own room. Persuade, inform, or entertain. If you have to share a room with somebody, you need your own room, and you're trying to convince your parents. I just said it. I just said it. Which one? Persuade. Good job. Oh, what about a book about spiders? That would be a nonfiction probably, and that's an inform. Good job. And what about hurricanes? A lot of us have dealt with a hurricane before, haven't we? A book about hurricanes would be to inform. Good job. How to wash a dog. Persuade, inform, or entertain. What do you guys think? Touch your plate. P, I, or E. Inform, for sure. It's teaching you something. Mom, please buy me earrings. What do you think? Persuade, inform, or entertain? I hope you're touching your persuade plate. I want an iguana. What do you guys think? An iguana would be a fun pet to have. Some of you have some reptiles, lizards, and things, I'm sure. What do you guys think? I'm going with P, persuade. Who was Abraham Lincoln? Now, do you think it's trying to teach you something? Because that would be inform. And, hey, little ant. What do you think? Do you think that might just be telling a story? Because that's what I think, so I'm putting it on entertain. Okay, boys and girls, good job. Make sure that you follow up with the worksheet. And if you did not get a packet or you don't print it out, it's okay. Just take a piece of paper, number, and write down your answers for us. It's all we need. Okay, see you in a bit. Bye-bye.